We have a variable voltage supply here. Input source is a battery, and this is the circuit which consists of resistors, op amp, and a MOSFET. And we are getting 1.2 to 11 volts voltage supply, which is variable, and its output is shown here on the CRO. This one 11.4, as you are seeing. Now let us have a demo of it. I will move the this strobe of the pot, and we will get a variable voltage as it will be shown on the CRO. So let us see. I am moving the strobe, and the voltage is decreasing. We are getting a variable voltage. So the lowest voltage we are getting is 1.6, and the highest voltage is 11.4.